Good morning. This is before my coffee, you guys. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm barely through a cup of coffee. I'm at $219 profit for the day. This is good. Totally good. Yay. You look up at the top left, this is a live account, you guys. I'm with, and results are not typical. You know what I'm saying? I'm not typical. So I just want to put that out there, you guys. Definitely a disclaimer that you have to go through the education. You have to learn how to mark your charts. You have to learn how to do this. But will we help you? Yes, you will get help. But you have to want this, and we'll help you. But clearly, I just want to show you guys that I am making money here with this. Um, and I'm more than happy to work with you and show you as well. Haven't been on here long at all today. Think I'm about to grab my GJ profit, excuse me, and run for a minute. Wow. Just want to show you guys, good morning, good morning. This is Roxanne Grace. I'm in profit right now. I haven't been on long at all. I'm up $225. I'm trading right now on GBP JPY. I caught all those red candles going down, okay? Then over here, I'm in a longer trade on GU. So that's been doing well for me. And over here, I'm in Euro odd. Okay. And that again is another longer trade. Want to show you right up here. I'm on a live server. This is real money, you guys, that I am using. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and come back over here to my profits. Let you guys see what I'm working with. See how it fluctuates. That one highlighted in blue is the one that I'm sort of kind of watching a little bit more. That is what I call GU or GJ, excuse me, GBP JPY. But I'm sitting right now close to $200 in profit just in that one alone. So I'm going to sit here and get off real quick. I'm going to watch it. But hey, God is good. Another beautiful day in the foreign exchange market. Haven't even finished my coffee. Whoop, whoop.